Hello and welcome, this is 127 Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to apply an email rule, or as it's known in the Google Suite, email filter, to make sure that you don't miss any emails, or you can affect other controls to emails that are sent to you that match certain conditions. So here you can see on the screen we're signed into Gmail on the Chrome browser, and first of all what you want to do is select the cog icon in the top right hand corner to access the quick settings menu. Once that's open, you'll be able to see the option beneath See All Settings. Click on that. Now, in the top line here, you can see the settings. What we want is the Filters and Blocked Addresses menu. Click on that. Now, you can see there are no filters in existence on this account, but we want to create a new one. Click Create a New Filter in the middle of the screen. Once you've clicked on Create a New Filter, this will give you the pop-up as shown, which is all the items that you want to detect on inbound emails to base your filter around. For our demonstration purposes, we want to have the words dentist appointment, create filter once we've set the conditions that we want to use. Now here is what happens to the email after those conditions are met. So in this scenario, we want to star the email to make sure that we see it and it is brought to our attention. And we always want to make sure that an email about dentist appointments is never sent to spam. Please note, when you flag something using a rule or filter to never be sent to spam, this will not be applied to any emails that have already found their way into the spam filter or you've deleted and put into trash. Once you've set what happens to emails, click Create Filter. As you can see now, a filter has been created. The match conditions are the words dentist appointment, and then what will happen is listed as do this. In this scenario, it will star the email and it will make sure it is never sent to the spam folder. So for this scenario, we're going to receive an email from Fred Jones, and that's going to be starred and not sent to spam. As we can see here, we've been sent an email from Fred Jones at Chester Dental, unfortunately telling us that the appointment has been cancelled. As you can see from the inbox screen here, the email has been starred. You can also check that by seeing your starred emails on the left hand side of the screen. Now if we go into the email, we can also tell on the right hand corner there's a star, and of course this has not been sent to the spam mailbox. So unfortunately, due to staffing issues, Daphne won't be having her teeth done. But Daphne will be able to see immediately any future emails from Chester Dental flagged up for her attention in the starred menu with the condition of dentist appointment in the email. If you're interested in any other help and advice, 127 Solutions can help you out. Please see our website at the bottom of the screen.